I think I messed up. 2 astronauts are stuck in space and it's not a movie. Boeing's new spacecraft failed, leaving NASA's astronauts in a dangerous limbo. NASA says rescue could take until next year. Elon Musk and SpaceX have offered a lifeline, but Boeing hasn't accepted. The reason? NASA's complex protocols. Switching spacecraft mid-mission isn't as simple as hailing a cab. Safety checks, compatibility tests, and political pressure all play a role. The stakes? Human lives hanging in the balance. What will NASA decide? Stay tuned.